Hey there, long time no see. Ready to dive into something new and tech-forward? Let's embark on this adventure together, where we'll explore the art of collaboration using the dynamic duo of Markdown and GitHub Pages. Imagine unraveling the mysteries of these tools, making your teamwork not just effortless but, dare I say, fun. Buckle up, because we're about to master collaborating using Markdown and GitHub Pages, all through a senior cloud architect's lens. Markdown, my friend, is like the friendly assistant in your toolkit, making writing and sharing documents a breeze. It's as simple as turning your ideas into beautifully formatted text. But here's the kicker: when combined with GitHub Pages, Markdown becomes the Swiss Army knife of online collaboration. GitHub Pages lets you host your Markdown files right from your GitHub account, ensuring your project documentation or ideas are always one push away from the web. Talk about convenience, right? Let's see the magic happen in real life, shall we? Picture this scenario: you are a part of a sizable team working on an intriguing web project. Each member possesses a wealth of expertise, but getting everyone's insights onto a shared document can sometimes feel like herding cats, if cats had web development skills, rather than staying well-organized and easily accessible. However, the introduction of Markdown to GitHub Pages is like finding a unicorn in sheep form. Suddenly, creating a shared document becomes more approachable. To kick off our journey, first, let's create a project summary document in Markdown format. The simplicity of Markdown makes writing quick and easy. Headers, lists, bold, even tables, it's all there. We type, and voila, beautiful text with structure and readability. Our first document is ready, and it's beautifully clear. With GitHub Pages, we've got a free, custom domain to host this document. It's like the team's personal digital billboard, except on the internet and without the pesky ads. Impressive, isn't it? Not so fast. Before pushing it live, let's involve our team. They review, offering constructive feedback, which might include additional headers or even new sections. No worries, though Markdown's a collaborative beast. We iterate, incorporate feedback, and voila, version history. With GitHub Pages, changes are seamless, no shared drive is involved, leaving no room for file corruption or accidental modifications. It's teamwork at its best. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget the integration with other platforms. Your social media accounts or professional networks, for instance. GitHub Pages allows you to connect your project's landing page with various social media platforms. Link your social media accounts and voila! Your posts or announcements will share your work's progress automatically. The sky's not the limit, it's just starting. Now, let's touch on accessibility and the broader internet landscape. GitHub Pages stands out as a platform that is built on Git, which means version control is embedded right out of the box. Teams can branch, merge, and contribute simultaneously without a hitch. Oh, and we still get the benefit of using Markdown to ensure clarity and uniformity across the board. Security? Check too. GitHub Pages keeps everyone's data private and secure. It's a safe space for collaboration. As senior cloud architect, I ensure our work environment respects privacy and security protocols. It's essential in our roles, as sharing expert knowledge is not just professional but, at times, a personal passion. And finally, the social aspect. Collaboration with Markdown and GitHub Pages isn't just efficient, it's enjoyable. The ease of sharing, discussing, and improving together is a joy-filled experience. We learn, grow, and produce more together because of it. It's uplifting, energizing, and incredibly efficient. In conclusion, my friend, the harmony between Markdown and GitHub Pages is a testament to collaboration redefined. It's about accessibility, security, efficiency, and the sheer joy of shared effort. It's not about tech, we're about human connection facilitated by incredible tools. Together, they make us powerful storytellers, innovators, team players who can change the world. Feel free to visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe for more insights and adventures in tech-savvy collaboration. Looking forward to our next tech conversation.